Hello everyone, this is Ankit from Kailasha Foundation Fun and Learn portal, and this is your second lecture of logarithms. So we will do with the questions directly because we had enough of the concepts for going ahead for now. And if we come across some new problems, we will discuss the concepts directly at that moment. Okay. Now the first question is log 6 plus log 5. Yesterday I told you log m plus log n is log m into n. Log m plus log n is log m into n. So 6 into 5, that will be log 30. Log 8 base 2. Log 8 to the base 2 is obviously 3. If anyone of you is confused, then log 8 to the base 2 is x. We convert in exponential form. 2 raised to the power x is equal to 8. 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. So x is equal to 3. Hence, the answer is 3. Okay. Log 32 by 4. Log m by n. That is log m minus log n b. Log 32 minus log 4. Log 1 into 2 into 3 is basically log 6, and it can also be written as log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3. Log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3. Okay. Log 1 is 0, so it can also be written as log 2 plus log 3. But the most appropriate option here is A. That is a direct answer. Log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 by the law of logarithms. Okay. The value of log 0.0001 to the base 0.5. This question you must do by the conversion method. 0.0001 to the base 0.1. Say this is x. Okay. If you convert in exponential form, 0.1 raised to the power x is equal to 0.0001. 1 by 10 raised to the power x is equal to 1 by 10,000. So x is equal to 4. Okay. X is equal to 4. Now 2 log x is equal to 4 log 3. Question number 6. 2 comes this side. So it becomes 3 square, that is 9. So x is equal to 9 direct by comparing. Okay. Now let me show you how to solve question number 7. Question number 7, I told you you can write like this. Log 64 raised base log 64 to the base 2. So log 2 raised to the power 6 and base 2 raised to the power 1 by 2. Take 6 from here, divided by 1 by 2 from here. 6 by 1 by 2, 2 goes upside, so it becomes 12. Okay. Now log 1728, that is 12 cube, and base is 2 root 3, that is root 12. That means 12 raised to the power 1 by 2. So 3 comes from here and 1 by 2 from here. This 2 goes upside, so becomes 6. 6 is the answer. Okay. Next question is log 1 by 81 to the base 9. 1 by 81 is 1 by 9 square. That means 9 raised to the power minus 2. So log 9 raised to the power minus 2 to the base 9. That is directly minus 2. Log 0.0625 to the base 2. Log 0.0625. 0.0625 can be written as 625 by 10,000. Okay. That is 5 raised to the power 4 by 10 raised to the power 4. That is 1 by 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power minus 4. So to the base 2, the answer will be minus 4. That means none of these. Okay. The answer will be none of these. Question number 10, answer will be none of these. Question number 11. Question number 11. We need log 6. We need log 6. Okay. Now, let me show you a few things. Log, if base is not given, and we are not talking about calculus right now, obviously. So, if base is not given, log 10, base is not given, that means base is 10. So, log 10 base 10, that is 1. Okay. Log 10 base 10 is 1. Log 1 base anything is 0. So, log 1 base 10 is also 0. Log 0.1 base 10 is minus 1. So, let me write it in an ordered manner. Log 1 is equal to 0. Log 10 is equal to 1. Log 100 is equal to 2. Log 1000 is equal to 3. And on that side, log 0.1 is equal to minus 1. Log 0.00, sorry, 01 is equal to minus 2. Log 0.001 is equal to minus 3. Log 10,000 is equal to 4. Okay. But what about log, see, log 1 is here, log 10 is here. But what about log 2, log 3, log 4, and so on? What about these? So, if base is fixed, if base is given as 10 or e, there are logarithmic tables and also scientific calculator which give us the value of log, okay, at these inputs. If base is not specified, then no one can help us, not even digital calculator. If base is not specified, then nothing can be done. So right now we are given with the base. Common logarithm is base 10 by default. So for that we have logarithmic tables also and scientific calculators also. But let us keep it simple. I am giving you two values that are also given in your book. Okay. Uh, Everyone has to remember these two values. Which two values? Let me tell you. Log 2. Log 2 when the base is 10 is actually 0.3010 and log 3 is 0.4771. Okay. These two I am giving you. I am giving you these two values. Now using these two values, and the laws of logarithms, we have to determine other values. Okay. See, we can do log 4. 4 is what? Log 2 square. 2 comes here. It becomes 2 into log 2. Log 2 we just learned 0.3010. 2 into 0.3010, that becomes 0.6020. So log 4 becomes 0.6020. Further log 6 is equal to log 2 into 3. By the laws of logarithm, it is log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 is 0.3010 and log 3 is 0.4771. So it becomes 0.7781. Okay. Log 9 is equal to log 3 square. 2 comes here. 2 log 3, that is 2 into 0.4771, that becomes 0.9542. Log 72 is log 9 into 8. Log it is 3 square into 2 cube. Okay. It becomes log m plus log n. Now 2 comes here, 3 comes here. It is 2 log 3 plus 3 log 2, 2 into 0.4771 plus 3 into 0.3010, 0.9542 plus 0.9030, 1.8572. Okay, this is how it works. So let us start from the beginning. Log 1 is equal to 0. Okay, see, log 1 base anything is 0. Log a base a is always 1. So log 10, when base is not given, by default base is 10, so log 10 base 10 is also 1. Okay, log a base a is 1, log 10 is 1, log 1 base anything is 0. So before 1 we can't go to negative numbers and we can't put 0 there. That means 0 point something, log 0 point something, okay, positive positive is equal to negative number. Log 1 is equal to 0. Okay, when negative number, when the base is greater than 1, when the base is greater than 1, okay, when the base is greater than 1, then 0 point something, the base, the answer will be negative number. Okay, log 0 point something, here also 0 point something, then positive number. Okay, log 1 base anything 0. Log input is greater than 1, this is also greater than 1, then positive number. Log input is greater than 1, base is 0 point something, negative number. Okay, so now log 0 not defined because 0 is not applicable in log. Okay, log 1 is 0, log 2 I just gave you 0.3010, log 3 is 0.4771, log 4 I just calculated in front of you. I am repeating that log 2 square, 2 comes here, 2 log 2, that is 2 times this one, so it becomes 0.6020, log 5. Many of you do log 2 plus 3. That is bullshit because there is no rule for log m plus n. The rule is there for log m plus log n. That is not for log m plus n. Okay, so log 5 cannot be evaluated that way what you are thinking. Log 5 is basically log 10 by 2 because you are not looking at 10. You are not only given with 2 and 3, you already have 10 with you. That log 10 is 1. Log 10 by 2. 5 can be written as 10 by 2. Now m by n. Log m minus log n. That becomes 1 minus 0.3010. That is 0.6990. Okay, log 6 I just evaluated a few minutes ago, log 2 into 3, that is log 2 plus log 3, log 2 plus log 3. Okay, that becomes 0.7781. Log 7 cannot be evaluated this way. Okay, cannot be evaluated this way. It has to be obtained from either table or scientific calculator. Log 8 can be obtained. Log 8 is basically log 2 cube. 3 comes here. So 3 log 2, it is 3 into 0.3010, that is 0.9030. Okay, this way you can practice obtaining log 1 to log 100 or maybe 200, whatever you feel like, and then you will be comfortable with logarithms. Now question number 11, log 2 is this, log 3 is this, the value of log 6. We have done this already. The value of log 2 base 2 is 1. A base A is always 1. Log 0.3 to the base 9. Log 0.3 to the base 9 is 0.3 to the base 9 is basically log 3 by 10 to the base 9. It would be negative, that is for sure. Okay, we can say 0.3 recurring should be there. 0.3 recurring should be there. That means 0.333333, that means 1 by 3, and that will be log 3 raised to the power minus 1, and here is 3 raised to the power 2. In that case it will be minus 1 by 2. Otherwise this question cannot be solved without a scientific calculator or a table. Okay, so the answer will be minus 1 by 2 if there is recurring symbol. If there is no recurring symbol, the question cannot be solved. Log x plus log y, if there's if. Okay, many students are confused. Sir, you told log x plus log y is equal to log xy, but in this question it is written like this only. But I am telling you, if is a word that is used here. So in this particular question only, the examiner is giving you a condition that if. That means in this question there is a case, otherwise all the identity you already know, the rule you already know is also applicable. Log x plus log y is also log xy. Okay, this you already know, and this is given. These are the two things. Now LHS is same in both of these, so RHS also must be same. Log x plus y must be equal to log xy. Log and log, if we remove, then x plus y is equal to xy. Okay, taking y on this side, xy plus y, xy minus y is equal to x. Taking y common, x minus 1 is equal to x. So y is equal to x upon x minus 1. Option number C. Okay, so I am giving you these three questions which you are looking at right now as a homework. In the third lecture of log, we will do a few tough questions. Tough questions in terms of CA CPT and CA foundation syllabus, not according to CAT syllabus. In the fourth lecture we will do CAT level questions. Okay, so this is how we do logarithms. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy learning. Bye bye. Good night.